Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your printer supports color changes and that the nozzle, heated bed, and filament path are within safe temperature ranges. This prevents jams. Load your chosen filaments and note their optimal print temps so you can swap without under or over extrusion. Slice the model with explicit pause points or insert M600/G code tool change commands so the machine stops precisely where you want a new color. Once done, preview the layer ranges and export the G-code ready for the next steps. Once the print reaches the first pause, stop the printhead away from the part to avoid smearing and unload the filament using your printer's menu or manual retraction. Insert the new filament and extrude 10 to 30 mm into the nozzle to purge the previous color. You want consistent flow before resuming. Make swaps brisk, but steady to minimize nozzle downtime and warping. If needed, raise bed temperature slightly before resuming to prevent layer adhesion loss. Make sure to resume the print exactly from the pause. After the last color swap completes, allow the print to cool and then trim any small ooze or strings from the transitions so the part looks crisp. Use a brush or flush cutter. If seams or small artifacts bother you, sand or use a compatible solvent for a smoother finish. If you encounter color bleeding or thin streaks, the key fix is to increase purge length or tweak retraction and extrusion multiplier. This clears residual filament and balances flow, which solves most cross-color contamination issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.